We all know Red Bull gives you energy, but have you ever wondered how this drink is actually made? Let's take a look inside the Red Bull factory.
Let's get those coils inside before the run starts.
I'll be there.
Okay, good. Line right. Doing things no first. Let's go. Move your class. And on.
Rims clean, wall smooth. Perfect.
Freshly formed cans speed toward the heart of the line, the internal coating chamber. Here, robotic arms guide each one into a blue-lit mist that lays down a food-safe shield, invisible but vital. Inside, microfine spray wraps the
That's good. Send it through.
Rims tight, no flex. Good to go.
CO2's holding steady at 1.7 and bumping it up a notch.
Copy. I'll watch the gauge.
Here we go.
Pressure climbing. Looks good.
Locking in the transfer.
Flow's clean. Onto the fill line.
Looking good.
Valve engaged.
Flow steady. Heading to fill line now.
Illuminated tubes above the line, a river of golden energy. Below, rows of sterilized cans march forward in perfect formation. As the platform lifts, the carousel engages. Stainless nozzles drop into position, and in less than the blink of an eye, each can...
Rollers close. Pressure reaches target. Now the lid is folded once and locked. Seam complete, airtight. Each can gets a quick spin check. We pull one at random, shine the seam. Perfect. Back on the line and into the water bath. Nope.
Good. Flow stable. No spikes. That. Good finish. Arms are steady. Copy. Rollers are ready. Press one up. Seam feels smooth. Looks perfect. Sending it down. Four backs lined up.
Tray coming in.
Got it. Edges are flush.
Six back set. Ready for wrap.
Perfect. Send them through. Alignment looks good on the 4-pack. Copy. No tension steady at 42.
Perfect. Let it ride.
Seal smooth, no creases.
Nice. Heading in.
Home's tight on this one.
Perfect. Heat's spot on today.
Logo's clear, no fogging.
Looks good to load. Send it.
Laps are closing tight. Cartons look clean.
Copy that. Scanner's ready for verification. Green check.
Arms got it.
Policeman is spot on. First layer's perfect.
Wrap looks tight.
Yeah, no wrinkles. Let's ride it through.
Labels on.
Barcode tag locked. Scanning. Batch approved.
Good to go. Forklifts waiting.
Looks good, no overhang.
Copy. Starting wrap sequence now.
Tension at 92, holding steady.
Film's tracking smooth.
We'll climb in 3, 2, 1.
Perfect overlap.
Seal looks clean.
All right. Wrapped and ready for label.
Square, pulling back.
Temperature steady at 2.1.
All good. Scanning, got it. R12 batch 43. Tag locked.
Q's ready for dispatch.
Pallet 427 scan. Good to go.
Copy that. Signing it to 14 now.
Done. Walking it up front.
Dock 3's open. Truck's backing in.
Lining up clean and locked. We're ready for load.
Seal's tight. Dock 3 locked in.
Copy. Lights on.
Load sequence reads 1 of 12.
Verified. Let's roll it in.
Lock scanning. Done.
Bars are tight.
Manifest updated. That's 4 of 12.
Copy that. Easy down. Good. Locking bar going in. Set. Trailer's all yours. Doors. All secure. Safe run, Mike. Appreciate it. See you on the next load. Alright, see you back tonight.
Morning. Got your Red Bull right here.
Perfect timing. Thanks, man.
Happy to deliver the boosts.
Oh, these cans look frosty.
Straight from the cooler.
Cheers.
Enjoy. See you next time.
You got it.